welcome on board. When you come, you hit the share button, you invite friends. Muda Muzel. Welcome, sir. Revolutionary greetings. The female general, 21 guns alone. Welcome, revolutionary greetings. Share, we come, hit the share button. Ezekiel, thank you, bro, thank you. My brother Clovis, I see you, 21 guns alone. You hit the share button, you invite friends. Akanji, doing Arab, I see you there, 21 guns alone. Thank you, Merry Christmas to bro. Together we move to Boya. Enjoy that piece of music. Go to dance. I see you, Gideon there. Abong Jimmy. 21 guns alone. Kepler Michael, I see you there, 21 guns alone. Amba people. Wala. Thanks for listening to that piece of music all the way from the northern zone. Fellow Ambazonians, fellow comrades of the revolution, una happy Sunday and I wish una happy new year in advance wherever una dey, especially my people for ground 0 and ground 1, our refugees in ground 1, our prisoners in Kolinge. I wish all una happy new year in advance and happy Sunday. We don't come for review the state of our revolution and for enlighten our people. We don't know which way it go on, in and out, so that we know the way forward, how we set our traps. We get to know our enablers, how we get to deal with them. Because if we fight war, we never start to fight the internal enemy, it will be very difficult to win the war. So once more again, once I lot all my way to watch this program for now, say when I share the program so that me reach for the people, they will give a share. If you get any man who want me listing the message, because sometimes it be say when one give a message, sometimes either you add your own small maggi or you go reduce small salt. But me the person get them from the horse's mouth. So we go get a breaking news where we don't see some people don't know where they go on for the revolution, but we were there 24 hours. We need to sleep. We need to follow up the revolution for 24 hours. I mean, say 24 hours we there for this revolution, and we give to tell our people the way they go on. We don't see some group of people don't come. They say they form Ambazonian Youth Council, and we go review the people the way they're behind this, and I will show a picture for a person where he already take himself upon a vice president for the youth of Ambazonia, where he talk say he go address Ambazonia on the 31st, where our excellency will address the nation. When I go see the manipulation where they go on for this struggle. Then we go for another saboteur, the way they think say if we don't work their own way, they go decide to kill our brave soldiers for ground zero, so that they will delay the struggle. And we go see how this man from this Mexican man from China in Hong Kong called Capo Daniel, how he try to allocate General Arike, he hide out, and in that same light, we see how Epum, he try to allocate our great free marshal, he hide out. We go tell we understand where they stand for this revolution as of now. Then we go for economic sabotage, where I think say we don't slow for economic sabotage. When the USA plays the coal, USA Kumbagi coal, Fako the coal, Abakwa town the coal. Now because we don't draw our footstep the back as far as economic sabotage it be concerned. I will tell you now why we there for this level where the respect goes down and they respect all the laws the way the internal government give. I will tell you now say it be because of economic sabotage. I will tell you now why we get to activate the economic sabotage back 100%. I will give you advantages why we economic sabotage it get to come back fully, because when we look at keenly now enable us now our people they delay this struggle. They will talk more like on RPG way when I be listening even Chris Anu is advocate now, but I not say in the long run nothing that will foresee for come as we talk, but now for the moment what we are going to do economic sabotage to keep the flame burning. We not going to keep me the year na smoke. The flame, they get for the see flame every morning time. We woke up, it didn't have a flame. So we get to talk that one. Now, before I go with the breaking news about the youth council where be formed, I will first start about to talk about this La Republique sponsor agent like Capo Daniel and Eric Tato. It don't be quite a number of times where if you see we activists where we belong to the internet government, we respect the Amber Peace Plan. It don't be quite some time where we hardly hear you talk about their names again, because they be the use we now it bring a lot of distraction, because you like activists, you know, we come for your platform where you get plenty things that will educate the Ambazonian people and for tell Ambazonian people the way forward. And then you will keep the whole platform. You talk of Eric Tato, Capo Daniel do this one did this, Tapang Ivo do this. Now the distraction in that way, they be the use at that time. We say when they come, we attack. But this time around, we don't rise past all those things. And we go talk today, we know they call their names again, but we want to stay Ambazonian people, the state of the revolution. We see how our own brothers, our own sisters, where we think say they fight the same cause we, they don't decide to take the other way around. We don't see listing General Arike in audio where he coach Capo Daniel, where Capo Daniel for audio, for video, he talk say General Arike don't run go for Ghana, say any the fight anymore. We in that light, I want to ask Ambazonian people first thing. I want to ask first thing. This war where we fight, where our boys have down, our brothers, because they didn't our brothers. None of we for here we talk if we born any of them. Yeah, if we want born highest, so we're picking within 5 years, 4 years. But these boys the way they fight for ground, mostly in our own brothers, in our own age range. I want to ask Capo Daniel, say, General Arike, if he surrender safe, if he can say don't decide to surrender, go Ghana and Abati. Well, I want to ask Ambazonian people something. Because me not be they say, as the boy they fight, they be slave. Any fighter where he don't fight, he tire he. If you decide, see any country, go bed. What problem? If you go for DD, where you call say DDR, that's a problem. But if you fight, you tire you. Another fighter, they take their place. The fight continue. But when Capo Daniel go to an extent for points, say it day for Ghana. It concern ye, and you don't can make an audio tell who say day. Our fighters, these boys, they go to hell for forest. These boys, they go to hell, and when you listen for audio, it said they don't use drone. They don't use drone for finding. They don't forget it. Now, they don't find our own person who thinks they support the struggle. We come outside, can make a propaganda so that the fighter now will come, show his face, say now me this, you say at ground zero, so that La Republic will track their location. Now the kind of support in that way, because when we talk, some people they think say we hate AGC or we hate ADF. We don't hate any fighter. General Arike will talk first. I never ever talk with you. I don't fair know you, but I don't see my actions. He's a true fighter. General Arike, he don't belong to the internal government. He need the fight, and he need the fight under ADF. He's an independent fighter. He need the fight under the internal government. He need the fight under ADF. Arike na independent fighter where any man will sponsor you, and he need the fight for the truth. And we get for protect it from all level. For all level, we get for protect it. If ADF be the fight like he, why we get for year we can't say ADF do this, ADF do this. Now because you know why 1 year Arike, he go attack another fighter. We don't ever see where he dey now with action with military. We don't see Arike in videos them because some people they don't say this boy they don't make that propaganda. We don't see video where he dey in action with military. I think that the one of the first general that I don't see a video where military they shoot, military they shoot. So when you see that kind of fighter, the fight, and all with the fight of the flag of Ambazonian, with the fight for independence, irrespective of any angle way the victory camp will go embrace them. But when you start taking a weapon in the fight your own people, now for them we will go against. We don't go against ADM. I say ADM all them now Ambazonian, all man are Ambazonian. But when you start go against the will of the cause, we will take them. Now that time we will start fight you too, like in Ebola. When you start join La Republique for sure our fight at the hideout, you join La Republique for propagate against where the victory will define them. When internet government come for one raise fund, when they fund you go use them for fight La Republique. You now you can't kick against. You say me people no contribute. Because you know why the money go for internet government, and when you know say the internet government use the money for fight for ground zero, that means you did against the struggle. You did against the struggle. I want to tell AGC people something. When you start following our first video, then no man for the revolution will ever hate Ayabacho Lucas. No man will ever hate Ayabacho Lucas. Now Ayabacho Lucas declared himself a personal non grata. We remember since in the days of our ex-president Seseko. Now Ayabacho denied for join the cabinet. He talks about it. He said no fit deal with Johnny just come. He no one join with people. He no one join with people. That he want a separate group where na him will be chief in command. And then we for be with you where you don't decide. You like get the highest roadmap, but we don't want a victory where we will get a victory. We start fight like how we fight for la Republic. Paul Biya na a dictator. We start fight Paul Biya first. Now because of dictator, because Paul Biya no one hear our cry. Then I will come and go enter another dictator. No, you know if you work that way, we get a structure, and where that structure it must be respected. I don't ever tell you, I say anytime our excellency, it will come for media. Like how the other people they call association government did this, can't coach any man. Or can abuse any man. From that day, they step down. Because we, the ambassador people that will put people there, we will tell the president they don't yap. Automatically, you don't disgrace the whole ambassador, you must step down. Because now we put people there. But you know, take it say the chief in command, anything we talk, anything we talk, we must take them. No. So this cheap propaganda people then, well, I don't know, because I see doubt. If the Republic don't pay them, but their actions speak. Their actions speak. Then before I come with any time to always he talks say free marshal, they will Ghana. What are all they go to Ghana? What are Ghana won't be a play where all the night they run go because they say I think they Ghana, free marshal they Ghana. No, any time to say free marshal they Nigeria. I want to play this small audio moon listener.
Ambazonia people. I salute one and all. Now FMA, Fimasha the King of Ambazonia. I wish one a happy Christmas. And happy Christmas also for all the BLM people. And happy Christmas too for all the generals for inside Ambazonia. All the commanders. All the lieutenants. I salute one and all. I get this very short message for Senam, for my people, for the BLM. This one go particularly for Allah market, where I hear say they never has them to go open them. Say the open market yesterday for Allah. Allah market, I say market. And I give special warning, I said they give special warning for Allah. People, say any person where they don't chop, throw away your own. Make that market enter flop. Man, see any person in foot for inside Allah market. They are seeing market. I repeat, I say any Allah person where it will put the foot for that market. I will see how a kelebe go can protect one. For inside that market, for so when I do market. The only market where I recognize again for go through, again for go on, for inside the whole Allah center. Nambreka market. Apart from that one, Allah market. It not exist until war is finished. If you give this announcement, you Allah person, you carry your food, go enter for inside a salon market, say you want to do market. I they promise you, when I wait the fancy and for when market go flop, it go kill any person we don't kill him. And then I go see if a kelebe will say go open market with the so-called mayor, Pierre Marie. What I know will dare me. Now Fimasha, the king of Ambazonia, at the top. Now come back for what happened yesterday. The slave soldiers, La Republic slave soldiers, where they enter Takwa, they slave for bush, they go do all things. Go broke money house, take money chop, bomb some place them, come out go this evening, this afternoon. They reach from where in Chen, they gather, they buy 2 crate bimbo, shame not the catch one. When I go to talk for population, say when I want female shall head, female shall don't be in a diamond, when I request for when I head. Since how many years when I talk say when I don't capture female shall don't do this. When I did small boy, them other than left hand and wait you, I say shame for one. I hear when I stand up for one change what I talk say when I want us start Minji market. I say when I say so, when I know the people protect when I self, when I go protect my population, say when I be crushed for when I head. Useless soldier, they say Kelebe. Okay, when I go open Minji, central market for inside capital for Minji, make a function, now see. And then any the bank person or any the BLM person we go carry 2 foot, say they go down market. No say when you come back from market, I will shoot you and I will kill you. And they give you a clear talk now. And I don't give special warning for Winken people. We want to do everything with the Kelebe. And I don't tell them if you did not pack fine, they will receive me. Now me see Masha the king at the top. For this Alo market and the central Minji town, the capital market, but not follow any person we will enter for that place. And very soon when I go here, and I want when I Kelebe, when I continue for worker, they want to go meet me. When I go see what you want to become here for Franham. But not follow when I would want to pass, we would have useless president.
Okay. Now the king they talk now so. Now the king that way people talk say it ground one. Say it Nigeria. When I don't listen the audio that Free Marshal moved that audio on the 24th for 24th of December. This December we don't pass. Where they enable us, they don't go find me, they don't forget it. If any man listen that audio, now listen again, listen very good, you get the background, you get noise. When you listen to that audio, you get the noise of the background, you will not play that audio. When you get that audio, don't listen the sound where they come from background. It is shows that inside. They don't think that outside where it be playing. You hear the sound of birds now for night chef. You know where it's a forest. You hear the sound of forest at night. Now you will listen that audio very well. Kingly, you will know side where it made this audio. You will never ground one. You want to make audio, you know, the hear music, they play for around this. You want to make, you know, hear. They go, like inside, you know, it's a forest. You hear that sound. And then so enable us, the way they don't pay them, and then you go see them, they will use, they for the National Telegraph, they don't use the Cameroon flag. They do the National Telegraph. Then they want to Free Marshal, so I mean Free Marshal can make audio, so that La Republic will get a hideout. La Republic don't use white. We don't see white them. Now you see it's a clear social media way. La Republic don't use white now so that they be track who say the Free Marshal they but we don't tell they say white people they be travel Venia do not succeed. They travel Iraq do not succeed. And Ambazonian do not ever succeed. So if they don't be use we Erikato and the rest now, say me they come with track Free Marshal because say La Republic want use Free Marshal will make a New Year's speech. Because I think that way president of La Republic Pobia, if we talk a last year will be passed, it need Free Marshal head so that he will take and make a New Year's speech. And now the OC camp will take Free Marshal head, they make New Year's speech. I'm saying every year they keep the war, they delay because say they want Free Marshal will take and make their speech. And then they enable that they think say they will work with the regime. But now I want to ambassador people say as Free Marshal talk. When I listen Free Marshal, he voice very well. Any man when they say for that market, they will kill him. And now they talk that way. I want year for fighter. Now they talk that. I war talk that. Nobody say you should be pamper with people. Any man when they say for that market, they don't be military. The war with military. They kill you. Now they talk that way 1 year. Now they talk that 1 year for fight. We will there for war. I don't accept. Say we there for war or we talk say we'll stop the war. If we there for war, we go for the year now war talk them. We go for a year and die killing. And they talk in that way, we need for the talker every day because we don't see blood tire. Now they don't see kind killing. When they kill now, so we just say where? Because of it. First time, we'll see people will die with social media, all man will cry. But now, we don't tire the killing. We don't tire the bloodshed. So now, we don't even be part of the killing. We don't even be part of the killing. So now they talk that way, we need war talk. So that means our people start get mind say we did na for war. Any man pass that law market talk, he never die. And it will also go for the other counties where if the restoration force don't give law, the internal government don't give law. Any man who will go against that law, we don't pity you. So this enable that they don't show for my country that it cause fighters. So one time the other day for a person me they identify can me actually hide out. When I see the level where ambassador don't go to that extent, why we not keep a strategy how to fight? Even you say no one fight with the internet government. Why you not mobilize? You get your own 5 soldiers for Ground Zero, but in a 5 AK you give the command. Say me they go attack this place. Me they go. You give your own command. You know say the fire own fight. You stop for the big distraction. You stop for the follow na shadow. You follow to where pass through. The internet government and government will stay. The internet government, no man of it drag the foot to internet government behind with the march that ahead. So when I tell Eric Tato and all the like say, me they continue the propaganda, but we just our people wait till they go on because when some of the cat talk so, our people they will can't ask questions say, but na lie, na true. We don't tell una. He talk say everything. When I read the recent post, he say free Machar. He don't kill some power for 59 years in captivity for say he arrested on the 24th. He arrested on the 24th and they pardon that in captivity. In captivity, when you recently talk say free Machar there for grand 1. Free Machar commander goes Kanaka cash a person now on the 24th. On the 24th, he can arrest a person and the person died. Now which story now which one now the worker? Now the one way in Nigeria, or now this one way in the ground where they arrest a person, the person died. You just say Chris Anu don't give free Machar 210,000 million. Amazon on a year. 210,000 million. Chris Anu get 210,000 million for side. For side. All this propaganda thing you need to pay again. When you come tomorrow, you can't just say Dr. Sako. You don't take my trip to Boya, go buy house. Then you see, can you can't talk for another show say Dr. Sako no fit pay house rent. Which story now the work and which one? So the propaganda we don't really understand the game. Some of the one use now we for the pay the National Telegraph because if you not put a caption say free Machar, don't do this. Dr. Sako, don't do this. They want to do this, not get views. You know, get people for watching, for listening to that story. Because all man, the one listening, now what it don't happen, free Machar. All man, ambassador people be very anxious for a year. Anything he come up with free Machar side. So if anyone put any post concerning free Machar, you will get caption. So we have to stop this our propaganda. So this one take me now to the fake youth council where some group of people they reform for Ambazonian. Over a recent week, I do the monitor, I see a monitor. In the past, they say this man for Konenge, where after a long time, if you say you don't be quiet. They don't try for stop ABC TV, you not fit. They form all alliance with AGC. Say they will revamp SCBC TV. They don't pay satellite no. They don't pay. Or they don't go short. You create a parallel government. It don't work. I mean, c'est ça qu'on veut connaître. Now you have to talk so. You don't create a parallel government for connaître. It don't work. You do all things for distract the revolution. It don't work. You say me they form partisan right letter. You stand. You say disclaim yourself from partisan. You support come to. It don't work. You say everything about Dr. Sako, our president. It don't work. Now. Your parallel government where you don't form, where you don't destroy the struggle, because one of the highest tool that way it destroy the struggle, not only destroy it, delay the struggle for the moment, because if we don't go some step ahead, it maybe will stand still before we want to revamp ourselves, come back. It will be easy. Any man want to say that parallel government will be destroy the struggle. That means the man lie. It be handicap we revamp, come back. That parallel government form, if you worry we revamp, come back, it no work. Now, c'est qu'on a they form a youth ambassador youth council. And that ambassador youth council, they say it be neutral. People don't enter the meeting, can't tell we. We're not listening very well, ambassador people not listening. They don't form ambassador youth council. They say that youth council will be neutral. Neutral in what sense? That's my problem. Yes, ambassador you them, me they rise up. Yes, good thing. When I form a youth council, it be neutral. Which means a neutral say una stand for one Cameroon, no? Because we get only two things for the revolution, either independence or one Cameroon. That federalism, Cameroon no fit want that federal, La Republic no fit want federalism. Federalism don't die and bury it. They don't fit want that. So we did a two things now. Independence of Federal Republic of Ambazonian or one Cameroon. So if we go form a youth Ambazonian, I don't want to bear the flag, I don't want to say this thing it be neutral. In that light, so if I want to talk, some people will say I lie. I want to show you now. Now one lady did where he identify himself like the vice president. Who be the president? We don't know the president. We have to see the mafia will happen for this revolution. When they be formed, the other thing now, which time they say when they say VPXX, we never ever know VPXX. Now they don't form Ambazonian Youth Council. They get a vice president. We don't know president. Ma show now. Now this. Now look at they get this. Now look at very well. Like this. After this, I will put up on my wall. After this, I'll put up on my wall. When I will see where to write. He said, the youth arise and take your place in the revolution. End of year address. Ambazonian Youth Council. End of year address on the 31st. Ambazonian Youth Council. Mafawa Tanji, Vice President. Mafawa Tanji, Vice President. Who will be the president? We don't know. And when I see the distraction, anything we do with this revolution, when I got to the revolution, they reveal itself. The one can that day where our excellency they make speech. After we two can make speech. He said 31st. No, the vice president will not know. We don't know the president. Now this girl don't show a face now. Now if the vice president for the Ambazonian Youth Council, where he be neutral of this revolution. He be neutral. They say they be neutral. I will not know their president. When I see the level where some saboteurs, some people, the way they think say it must walk their own way, they bring disturbances to the revolution. They don't try to fight this revolution in all angles. And La Republique go do everything. Everything. See, we never even start. We get to tight our belt. We get to know say we go see any kind of thing. We go see Jack and G all kind way, all kind direction. They will attack we for the revolution, all kind direction for the revolution. So we go to tight our belt very well, very well. We go to tight our belt. Say we get to get bullet all sides. So now you see the level where Siseko he try to disturb this revolution by creating fake group them. It will say one collaboration. Yes, if you say one collaboration, how far you don't do with collaboration? In collaboration, say no have to go Patasa. Yeah, Patasa they collaborate. When I actually say anyone from this Ambazonian Youth Council, he consult the cabinet for Konenge. No, he consult all them. No, you want to take upon yourself say na you all Ambazonian. Every time to take upon yourself say na you all Ambazonian. What a madness! What a madness! Every time to say if you know they, it no work. They need to do with Konenge. It just say if you know they, it no work. Wow. Now the level that way we don't go. Now the level that way we don't go. So all this madness get to stop. We get to now identify the war is slow, but surely we go. And I assure the people 100% we get for track. It is only delay. It only delay. It go. Some people they ask questions say, "War draft, you never do this. War draft, never do this." It go, my brother and sister. Now war it go. La Republique get back up for all sides. We not say we will get only one direction. And where that direction, that country itself never recognize we. That country catch our leader in center for Nigeria. So it's not easy. It's not easy, but surely we will win the war. For diplomatic phase, we don't finish with them. For diplomatic phase, we don't need now ground zero for keep the ground zero hit. For keep the ground zero hit. They do want to take me to economic sabotage. We just go the line. Yes, fellow Ambazonians, fellow citizens, over the past years, we will not fight this war at this level. And before the war announced lockdown, 2016, when lockdown starts, it be been because of it, economic sabotage. Because we know say if you announce ghost down, Monday na day where activities start. When all play big ghosted, at least that tax La Republic will feel the heat, and we don't see the impact where the ghost down. It don't do our revolution, and the another economic sabotage we will forget what we do. Now burning. We don't sleep. See, I want to talk about this LGA chairs and county head. They money for what drive no mission only for go buy AK. For buy this. This money for what draft. I want to tell you, I'm gonna listen very well. Any country where we hear action, we not care. We know what I want to buy AK. What action? Brazzaville is say anyhow for Kumba. School they go anyhow. Why? Brazzaville, we hear say bar them all license. They say anyhow people they feel free anyhow. We get to start this economic sabotage back. Yes, because La Republic only focus in attention for the go find our restoration fighters. But we give to activate the one they do for town. You dress very well with the suit. You don't even dress rascal. You dress very well. Then you even get better work. You did work. You didn't work out. Now you did work out the military self. For every to say you know about them. But now you do the economic sabotage. Now so we will fight the war. We not give to teach our attention only to restoration fighters. Then we forget so people that they inside within we do that work. We give to activate that one, and we know say nothing go for nothing. Nothing go for nothing. As the restoration fighters, they enjoy the benefit of war draft. The moment they do the action of benefit, they enjoy the same. My tell you something there. When key 2 military, don't get nothing, but we burn one of license, it will clear when they pass with key 2 military. Because when burn one of license, automatically the other people license Brazzaville is stop automatically. But when key 2 military, the Cameroon government don't say before one go war, he said also the fight for a nation. So they don't think they go bury him. So we will do things where it affect the economy. I don't talk for you say any man where the carve your house. For can collect electric light bill. Now that people in there when I target them. Any man where the car market for can ask tax. Now the people in there you target them. Why no worry yourself for mayor they get military around them. When you target those people, the other people no go. Mayor don't work at the whole Bamenda town. They work at the collect ticket with the military. No. But when you target the subject, that council they work at do that thing. All that council they don't get military, they don't get bodyguards. Now the way that would take and stop all those things there. You hear say water bill for Bamenda town are free, light not free. In light profile, they don't do what they say light not free. Yes, the world will not say that country. If they so it control itself. Now for the world will know where they do. When you start target Sonne work at them, when Sonne stop for operate for Bamenda Okumba or Victoria, water bill is stop function. It being a free. Now for they go ring bell for the military say they in control. We not because they in control. So they pay tax. When I know now what they pay tax for La Republic. They want to pay tax. We never do they want to take a stop CDC per more and all the now the same way we will stop all these people. Why we will stop the other workers? CDC workers in a year back they will leave the other workers then. Why? Why we will stop the other workers and leave the other workers? We give activate economic sabotage. We give a burn any place where we think say it go contrary to our law. Una no see. My tell when I see the way La Republic take was for fight the war. La Republic start this war with economic sabotage and they will come back with economic sabotage. When I see La Republic go burn villages, destroy property. Now for waiting. La Republic knows say when it burn the whole village, destroy the property, it go demoralize you now. Some people will surrender, they succumb. When we to activate that one, burning. As they burn this my house, they burn this my house. You know say this man he be related to military. You burn your own house. So that means burning. Or after all man for the burning. The man born. You see, I said La Republic will surrender. We don't need to suppress La Republic to the level where we need to end the game. We need to end the game with La Republic. And he begged my fighters, and he begged our restoration fighters, the LGA chair, we have to activate this economic sabotage back into the game. We have to come back 100%. We don't need economic sabotage not be expensive. Provided we don't get some agent them within that time when they do that work. They don't be expensive. They don't only tell you say this online and they say brotherly product. We don't just say work with them. As I work, we find place we pay them. They do the work. As they work, we pay them. And they work, we pay them. You see, I say, when day one break, you say breaking news, they don't burn this online, so you say Brazaris. They don't burn this. And that one go stop Brazaris for come out, do Allah the go. Because when buyers stop for buy, the people they say stop for buy, Brazaris no go sell. Now we give Brazaris the right to sell because we need to deal with that local online. They can't buy with depots. They can't buy for depot. Because we allow the bad of quarter who say put up. And the chair people they don't work in conspiracy. Because we notice some chair people don't work in conspiracy, they take money for people, they will say brother put up. But when you say investigate that one, any chairman will get see, will know that one, then we not go hear news. We not go hear news. Why would we go on Operation RPG? Well, we think that the next strategy for end the war, we know so we see cry RPG because I commit to the way our power arm, but we get for activate the action of sabotage. We get for destroy. We get for do this. And what for Ipala is the way to do it today. Because in a man people bilang. Oh, this man for so because in a man in people bilang. La Republic born another. Chief the palace, born from the palace. Now we will fear. That means we will not hold La Republic too. So, my brothers and sisters, we get now for the plan, how for the go for RPGs, and then we start operation sabotage, economic sabotage. Immediately, economic sabotage is something where it needs to strategize. Any chairman, any county, where you tell say we need to strategize, taking a lie. Those things that you don't need action. You need immediate action. And we'll start that one. And we will go in, we'll get a meeting of LGA chairs and ask them where did they go on, why the Ground Zero sleep. So I just say I don't go stay for this show. I think say we in that night, we will stay focused. We don't really win the war for the diplomatic side. We are listening the other day where they analyze how level the court case for ICC, it don't go. Next one, it will be na CIG, na wait, na the level that will go gradually, but surely will go small. So, fellow ambassadors, once more, I want time for watching. When share the video me reach for all the ambassador people, they know which way our internal enablers they do them for destroy this revolution. Thank you very much for watching and stay blessed.